Now I'm going to show you how simple it is to create and share professional looking presentations in BONI. Starting with the basics, these are the pages where we'll make our presentation. To add a new page, click here. You can also duplicate pages and change their order. Hover over any icon if you're unsure of what it does. Then on the top here, we're going to name our project. Just click and type in your chosen title. Now let's switch to a finished floor plan. You can either choose to download a project or to add it to a presentation. So I'm going to choose a view here and then choose the presentation that I would like it to be added to, and it will automatically be put at the last page. In addition to adding products, you're also able to add your own images. This could be something of the client's home or inspiration. The first way to import these images is to just drag and drop, and it's really simple. Just position them how you want. And the second method of how to do this is to go to the uploads here on the left-hand side. And as you see, the images we just dragged in, they're part of this library, and we're going to upload a new image. And we're going to choose to remove the background, and here to simply add it. And as you notice, none of these 3 images are showing up in the product list. So I'm going to go to board settings now, and this is a way to create a template for your pages. So what I'm going to do is upload our logo and place it on this board here, and the position that I put it in is where it'll show up on each new page. So now we're going to go back to our presentation, add a page, and you see the logo's automatically added. And this can also be removed if you'd like. Next, to show more examples of a presentation. For example, if you would like to make a color scheme, I'm going to go into paint and wallpapers here and the NCS colors. I'm going to type in the certain color that I'm looking for. Click to add it to the presentation, position it and scale it, and then I'm going to use this tool here to turn it into the circles. You also have the option to add text and symbols. Here I've added an arrow. You can edit the shape, change the color and line thickness. Getting into how you can share our work. On the top left here, there's the option for a presentation view, and on the 3 dots is options of how to save your work. In the downloads tab here, you can either download the project and product list together or separately. For the product list, it can be downloaded as either an Excel or a PDF, and then the project can be downloaded as a PDF, JPEG, or PNG, and you can choose which specific pages to share or all of them. The easiest way to share your project with a client without downloading big files or attaching them in an email is by clicking the share button. Choose what you want to include, write a short message, fill in the email address, and click send. Clients don't need a BONI account. They'll simply get an email from you with the link to view your work. Your clients can also click on links in the list to go directly to the products by each retailer if you choose to make these visible. You have the option to hide these links or other information from the list, as I showed earlier. And then finally, if you'd like to share your work with others on our platform, we have the gallery. This is optional, but it's a nice way to get inspired by others' work. Simply just choose the page of the presentation you would like to share, give it a name, and then you can share it to our user gallery. This is really fun and interesting to scroll through to get ideas and see what other people are doing. Now to navigate here, just go to the top left-hand corner and then choose gallery, and you can just start scrolling through and see what everyone else is up to, get ideas of how other people are using the platform. And now you're ready to start making and sharing presentations.